Hey everyone! From the first few minutes of use, it is evident that the ASUS TUF Gaming VG259Q5A is targeted at gamers who desire maximum performance and smoothness without having to pay flagship prices. This display focuses on the factors that are most important in competitive and dynamic games: refresh rate, response time, and reliable image delivery, rather than attempting to wow with ostentatious design or ultra-high resolution. The ASUS VG259Q5A's design adheres to the iconic TUF gaming aesthetic. With a matte black surface that prevents fingerprints and reflections, the design is simple and functional. It has the appearance of a gaming monitor, but isn't overly aggressive, so it works equally well in a home office or a combined work and play environment. The screen feels more immersive and is ideal for multi-monitor setups because the bezels are narrow on three sides. When 2 or 3 of these monitors are positioned adjacent to one another, the visual gaps are small and don't interfere with work or gaming. The stand is basic but useful. Finding a pleasant viewing angle at a workstation is made possible by its approximate tilt adjustment range of -5 to +25 degrees. Nevertheless, one of the model's clear drawbacks is the lack of a height adjustment, swivel, or pivot. Given the cost, this won't be a deal breaker for many customers, and the availability of a conventional 100 by 100 mm VESA mount saves the day. The ASUS TUF Gaming VG259Q5A provides a reliable and useful collection of ports for connectivity. 2 HDMI 2.0 connectors and 1 DisplayPort 1.4 port are located on the back. DisplayPort is the recommended choice if you wish to fully utilize adaptive synchronization technology and unlock the 200 Hz refresh rate. This monitor's 24.5-inch display with Full HD resolution is its central component. It has long been believed that this combination of size and resolution is ideal for gaming, particularly for esports and fast-paced shooters. Even when seated close to the screen, the image is sharp, the pixel density is pleasant, and you cannot see individual pixels. The refresh rate of 200 Hz is the primary feature. The difference is almost instantly apparent when compared to 144 Hz, especially in competitive titles like Apex Legends, Valorant, and Counter-Strike 2. Another great element is the reproduction of color. Because the VG259Q5A covers almost 99% of the sRGB color gamut, it can be used for everyday content viewing, basic picture editing, video production, and gaming. Colors are balanced and realistic without being overly saturated. This type of monitor has good color accuracy right out of the box, and most users don't need a lot of calibration for white balance. Additionally, the monitor supports HDR10. However, this is more of a simple upgrade than real HDR. There are, of course, restrictions. HDR support is minimal, and the resolution is limited to Full HD. There are no sophisticated ergonomic adjustments on the stand. Nevertheless, considering the price range and the monitor's obvious purpose, these concessions make sense. So, the ASUS TUF Gaming VG259Q5A is a well-rounded and functional gaming monitor. It is made for players that prioritize dependability, quickness, and smoothness. A fast IPS display and a refresh rate of 200 Hz provide fluid, responsive, and aesthetically beautiful gameplay. Strong adaptive sync support and useful gaming features make it suitable for everyday tasks, leisure gaming, broadcasting, and professional esports. The VG259Q5A is a very attractive choice for anyone searching for a gaming monitor that is both reasonably priced and genuinely quick, and it is clear who it is intended for. Thanks for watching. What do you think about this monitor? Write your opinion in the comments. Have a nice day, and God bless you.